Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So we have two factors in here, and now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. If you see that there are two factors in here, so it means we have two solutions. The first one, y equal to 0, and the second one, this one, equal to 0. So we just find one solution in here. Now let's go into find the last one. In this situation like this, we can put about y equal to e to the power of lambda we put about lambda s so in this situation we input in here and you will get about e to the power of lambda s and we will go about this is about the order is about number 5, so the lambda in here should be about lambda to the power of 5. So we do similar for this one and this one. You will get about negative 3 lambda to the power of 4 e to the power of lambda s. Similar this one. So we can do about factorization. You will get about lambda square multiplied with lambda minus 1 to the power of 3 e to the power of lambda s equal to 0. In this situation, this one cannot equal to 0 in here, so we just have only this one and this one. So we go about this one equal to number 0. So we will got about this one equal to 0, lambda equal to 0. This one we have the power 3, so we got about lambda equal to number 1, and number 1 3 times in here. So because we have two solutions equal to 0 because we have the power 2, so we got about y1 s equal to c1 and now the next one y2 s equal to c2 multiplied with s. In this one we have 1 1 1 3 lambdas in here, so in this situation we got about y3 s equal to c3 multiplied with e to the power of s. Similar for the next one. This is y4s, so we got about c4s multiplied with s e to the power of s, and the last one c5s square. So in this situation we can get the final. That should be about y equals to this one plus this one plus this one. And this is the answer in here combined with this one in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.